Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm going to be going over Offer Blueprint, which is the #1 BizOp traffic affiliate network. Lots and lots of money to be made here. I'm going to be going over a number of things. I'm going to be going over some important terms such as exclusive CPL and CPA and explaining to you why those are important when you're choosing affiliate offers that you want to promote and make money from. At the end, I'll be giving over a free link posting software. I'll be showing you where you can get all of my free traffic methods I've already made videos about, and also be giving you free community access if you want to interact with other affiliates, and everything we're going to be walking through right here on my computer. You can copy down that page, and I'm going to be going over the pros and the cons of this affiliate network compared to others. You can do this no matter what age you are, no matter what country you're in, doesn't matter. You can do this, and nothing costs any money here. So let's get straight to my computer and let me show you how you can start earning money online, as much as $2,500 a week with as little as 30 minutes of work. Let's get it. Okay, so here's the website for Offer Blueprint. You can see it up here, and you see advertisers, affiliates, all that stuff. Now, keep in mind that affiliate and publisher are also often used interchangeably. Okay, so let's get into it. And by the way, friends with John Rome, he's one of the owners of this network. So here we are. Once you get accepted to this network, you can log in right here and check it out. Now, once again, this network, you do need approval to get in, but they have no country restrictions, no age restrictions anywhere in the world, even if you're in Kenya or Nigeria or Zimbabwe or Pakistan or wherever you are, Bangladesh. Why can't Pakistanis, Indians, and Bangladeshis all be friends? I heard there's like some feud going on. Why can't you guys all just be friends, right? But basically, no matter where you're from or whether you're friends, you can make money with this and get accepted to this network. Let's get into how we get the leads and stuff. So right here, we can click to load here. I'm not promoting anything right here on this network. You can see some interesting stuff. Now, to get the offers, we're going to want to go over here to this area that says offers right there, and we're going to click offers. What we'll see is we see a ton of different offers. Now, the way this is divvied up is it says whether you have to apply to run it, what vertical it's in, how much you earn when somebody buys the product or takes the action, and what the pricing format is, CPA, which I'll explain in a second. Now, you'll see a bunch of terms here because this network is generally for advanced affiliates who know what they're doing. One thing I do ask is if you get into any of these more advanced affiliate networks, please don't badger the affiliate managers. They're not going to help you out. They're going to boot you from the network, and they're not going to allow anybody from this channel to join the network because they're going to see the traffic's coming from me, and they're going to say, John sends us whiny, needy people from Nepal or wherever you're from. So just please don't badger them. We see a few terms here: CTC, pre-pop, trial, CPL, and we see some numbers over here. Okay. Now, in order to get the link for the offer, let's find one. I'm just going to set the status right up here to active. Let's check out this site. So we click on the product that we actually want to promote, and then we bring up what's called the offer card. Okay. Now, over here, you'll see it says physical opt-out, meaning if you're sending emails, you want to make sure that people can send in an opt-out address. It's just kind of a technicality. Now, to get our links, we can click right here, which says link. We can click creative. We can click a number of these things, but let's click right. Now, here is our affiliate link. You see our affiliate links are over here. It doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, and I'm going to copy this link, and we can open it up, and we can see this is the offer page. Take surveys and get paid. Okay, and then you click get started and blah, blah, blah. And if somebody signs up for this, I'd make a cool $2.40. So you see that right there. We would make $2.40 if we get somebody to sign up for this offer. That's how these things work. That's how you get your link. In order to post the post back pixel, you would let your affiliate manager know, whoever your affiliate manager is. Let me explain some of these terms. And before I get to that, please let me know. Say no more advanced affiliate networks if you don't want me to see advanced affiliate networks, or say keep doing advanced affiliate networks, because some of these are more Again, these are for people who know what they're doing with affiliate marketing. So if you don't want me to see any more, let me know. If you would still like seeing them because you're learning, let me know. Either way, I'm here for you. So a few terms that are of interest. The first one is exclusive. We saw that next to some offers. Exclusive means that the product that you can get paid out as an affiliate is only available on this affiliate network, okay? It means it is special. You're not going to see it on other affiliate networks. It's exclusive to Offer Blueprint, okay? So it's a big benefit. It's just something special. Next is CPL. What CPL means is you get paid every time you get what's called a lead. And a lead is somebody's information, except their credit card information. It means you are collecting, maybe it's their address, their name, phone number, email, and their home address because they're interested in solar panel installation. Whatever it is, it means you get paid per lead. Generally on leads, you get paid anywhere from $5 to $25, at least in the US. In other countries, that's lower. Now the next one is CPA, and what CPA means is cost per action. And what that means is you get paid per action. The action can be anything. It can be signing up for a trial. It can even be a lead. It can be they install something. A lot of these terms can be really confusing and they're used interchangeably and the logic doesn't make sense. But CPA is generally used in contrast to what are called rev share. Okay, so rev share programs mean you get a percentage, meaning let's say we're selling a affiliate product and the product owner makes 100 and you're on a rev share for 50%. It means you get 50% and the owner keeps the other 50%. Now, on a CPA model, what CPA model is you just get paid. It doesn't matter what the rev share is. I mean, you can theoretically, if you get somebody to buy a $100 product, you can get $200 just for creating that sale. So CPA is much more open-ended than rev share deals. Okay, folks, let me know if this is if it's understandable. I apologize. A lot of the terms in this industry are very confusing, but I'm going to go over how you can get free software to generate traffic, as well as how you can get access to our community. So make sure you go to johncrestani.com/networks and apply to all of the affiliate networks here if you want to start getting into this industry. The reason why you should apply for all of them, because really you only need one offer, one affiliate link to start making money. But you want to apply to all of them because they send out weekly newsletters and they'll tell you what the top products are. And the more you can train your brain to understand what products are top, and oftentimes they send free training and resource guides on how to promote, it's just very invaluable. Again, all of these companies are looking to pay you money. They're looking to pay you money. So follow them. These are your companies. These are companies that want to pay you, and apply to them and get it, try to get accepted to all of them. Now, in order to join my community, you'll want to go down here to the resources tab. It's a tab on this file. Again, you need to go to this file to get access. I already showed it previously in the video, and you'll go over here. Now, I have a lot of stuff here for you. I have a whole guide on how to be accepted as an affiliate. You can click that and you can see there's a lot of tips and tricks that I wrote on how to be accepted as an affiliate, okay, right there. I also have how to get traffic for free. If you're looking for free traffic methods, I'm tired of seeing these comments. I've done about 500 million videos on free traffic already. Every method is in here, and any other method of free traffic is just a variation of the ones I've already done. So make sure you check out these videos and actually apply them, because if you aren't applying these free traffic methods, you're guaranteed to not make any money. If you are commenting on this video, what works best, I'm guaranteeing you asking questions and waiting to take action will guaranteed not make you any money. Okay. Now, as for the affiliate community, we have the affiliate community here, and I suggest you sign up, and just so you can chat and see what other affiliates are talking about, make friends, make connections, learn about events, learn about things happening. And last but not least, my free traffic tool. It's a software. It's going to show up as a virus warning when you download it because we haven't had it certified yet. But basically, it works. And it's pretty exciting. It takes videos from the internet, it downloads them, it reposts them to other sites, and it puts your affiliate link in there. You'll need to download both files. If you have problems with your antivirus, just disable it while you download the software and run it. And it runs everything in an invisible browser beneath whatever you're using, but you have to keep your computer on for it to actually run and download the videos, re-upload them to other sites, and post the links. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there are other affiliate networks or other topics you would like me to talk about. I'm going through lots of affiliate networks this next month to show you how to use them, explaining terminology. I want you all to have a good basis of how to do affiliate marketing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and actually, even if you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, because I'm starting to do Monday live streams. At my normal upload time, I'm going live and doing Q&A sessions, and I'd love to interact with some of you guys in person, call you out, make fun of you, talk about your poor mindset or what you're doing awesome, whatever it is. I'd love to chat with you, hang out. We had a lot of fun this last week, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a good day. All the best. Bye.